I'm Tyler Rohrer, Rohrer Dairy Farms, Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. I'm a third-generation farmer. My grandpa started here in 1956, had cows ever since, and focused primarily on dairy since '83. And now we are currently milking 1,700 cows in a 60-stall rotary built in 2022. Yeah, so in 2021, I was presented with a new product for freestall beds, and the Aquastar waterbed and the Aquaboard was presented, and we liked it for the potential of durability and comfort for the cows to bring cooling, and they really pushed that we could cut back on bedding. We were bedding 3 times a week. We went to 1 time a week with the waterbeds, and still seems to be a very comfortable bed for the cows to lay on. Comfort and usability for the cows is very good. We expanded in 2022. We continued the same concept. We built a brand new 600 freestall barn, 480 feet by 125 feet, 6-row barn, slatted floor barn with a 10-foot pit underneath. Just works really well for us for manure management and ease and less work for us, no outside lagoons and so forth. So the Aquastar and the Aquaboard has been a maintenance-free mattress, and after 2 years, we've been very happy and pleased with it. Definitely using less bedding, and it's working great. They keep clean, no buildup on it, and just a good product that I stand behind.